How to use Netflix Watch Party feature. So the very first thing that we need to do is download a application called Teleparty, which you can absolutely get it on your Play Store. Simply go back and open your Play Store, and in your Play Store you'll need to download this particular application, right? So after downloading the application, you can simply open the application, and in here you'll need to now add in your Netflix account. You'll be able to see the Netflix under the free services. Simply tap on Netflix, and in here all you need to do is simply add in the credentials of your Netflix account, and then tap on continue and log into your Netflix account. So after linking your Netflix on this Teleparty, now what you can do is simply find the movie or the show that you want to watch, and then tap on press play, right? So after doing that, tap on the red Teleparty TP icon that you'll be able to see on the screen, and after doing that you'll be now able to generate the watch party link and send it to your friends. They will absolutely don't need to do anything else but click on that link or tap on that link and then simply log into their Netflix account, and just like that you will be able to use your Netflix watch party feature. And that is it.